Hi, subscribe to this channel. Go to this red subscribe and click. And you also see this bell shape. So click on this and select all. This means you would be getting notification of all videos uploaded on this channel. Cheers. At the start, I will have to ask you how you intend to do this.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know where to go from here.
From the start.
No. I've done some stuff,
Okay.
but I'm not sure what else to do because I wanted to try and use elimination.
Yeah.
But well, what I've got is I can't use it from what I have. Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Therefore, my first question was how to do it. What is the plan of doing it? That's the first thing. So that's a very important learning, or that the student should learn the skill of reading the question and then trying to find that how to solve it. So this question is an interesting question. So it says gradient of the curve with equation y at the point this is 0. So that's because we are doing differentiation. We understand that we would differentiate. That would give us the gradient. We know the gradient is 0. So we would put 1 and 1 over 3, 1 for x and y, 1 over 3. It will give us one equation. Yeah?
Yeah.
But we have two variables. And to solve two variables, we need two independent equations. So, and that two are linear equations. Okay, no worries, because we are seeing that this equation which is there, so this is x square. So it means once it would be differentiated, it will become a linear. So we will get a linear equation one from differentiation. We need one other linear equation. How we will find that? Because we have two unknowns, a and b. So how we find the other equation?
When it's differentiated, you can make the gradient equal 0 and substitute 1 in for x.
And 1 over 3 for y. But that gives you one equation.
Oh, okay. And then for the second, you can substitute 1 over 3 in the first equation. You can substitute the points 1 and 1 over 3.
Very nice, very nice. So this is the way of doing it. So that's very nice that you are able to see how to solve it. We do it from the gradient, and then we would put that to get the other equation. Yeah?
Yeah.
We have y, and we put y is equal to y is equal to, I find it easy if we put it like this: bx plus 5 is to the power minus 1. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we differentiate y bar. So minus comes here and come minus 1 times. I rub it because maybe this time confuses with the x. So I just try to put a dot instead of x. So we are saying it. And then ax square plus bx plus 5 minus 1 minus 2. So far so good.
Yeah.
And then times. Now we have to differentiate what is inside the bracket. So what becomes that?
2ax plus b.
Very nice. So 2ax plus minus 2ax plus b whole ax square plus bx plus 5 square. What we have done? We have just brought the numerator, which was negative. The indices loss tells us that we can bring it down and check.
Yes, so far so good.
Okay. What is the gradient? We have been given the gradient is 0. Gradient is 0.
Yeah.
At point 1 comma 1 over 3. So we put that and find the one equation. So let me. So this is y bar. Let me. So we know this. So, and I give this equation 1, just a gradient. So 0 is equal to minus, and what is x here? So we put that minus 2a.
Yeah.
And times 1. So I'm not writing it, or should I put here like this? And
you don't have to write. Yeah, it's
okay. Plus b, then is a 1 square b into 1 plus 5 whole square.
Yeah.
So 0 is equal to minus 2a plus b over a plus b plus 5 whole square. So far so good.
Yes.
And we know we can cross multiply it. So what this thing equal to? This implies minus 2a plus b is equal to 0. Do you know why? Any
No.
question to this?
Yeah. Well, I'm not sure.
Yeah, that's if you see, there is a math thing. We would, if we have a over b is equal to c, let me change the colors because it's, we are doing something which is different. So let's say a over b is equal to c. So what is a equal to then from this? Yeah, a is
Yeah.
equal to,
C times B.
very nice, c times b. Yeah, that is the same thing we are doing here. We have in this case, in the above case, c is 0, a is minus 2a plus b in the bracket, and b is the one which is in the numerator. So once we apply the denominator, sorry, not the numerator, the denominator, and once we multiply anything with the 0, the result is
0.
so I write it again for you so that, and just I write in this form, minus 2a plus b, just to make it simple, a plus b plus 5 square is equal to 0. Any problem here? I have just rewritten the equation which was above.
Yeah. No problem.
I have written only this thing in the in the rectangle in this form, yeah.
Yeah.
And now, so this is like this, what I have written in green. So minus 2a plus b would become 0 times a plus b plus 5 whole square.
Yeah.
So far so good. And anything multiplied by 0 is,
0.
so this becomes 0. So minus 2
Okay.
a plus b is equal to 0. That was something which we did earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
what.
That's where. Okay. Yeah. That's where I went wrong then.
Okay,
Okay.
no worries, no worries. It's
Yeah.
so we have this equation, yeah. Or
Okay.
even if we multiply this thing with minus 1 on the both sides, to multiply by minus 1, or I don't do this so that it does not confuse you or the other students. So I can do like this, minus 1 times minus 2a plus b is equal to 0 times minus 1. So this will give us 2a plus b. Sorry, I wrote times b. That was wrong. So I just stop it and it becomes plus. Yeah, that was just a mistake, typing mistake like this. Is
Yeah.
equal to 0. This implies 2a plus b is equal to 0. Yeah,
Yeah.
and this is our one equation. Perhaps I have given equation 1 some other. I did it 1, so I would just say it equation 2. So far so good.
Yeah.
And let's do another way to find the other equation, number 3. Let me go back to the question so that we have said we have put this thing. So we would put this thing in the original equation to have the other equation. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's clear. So we do that.
Yeah.
And then we would get the second equation, linear equation, and then when we were given x was 1, y was 1 over 3. Yeah.
Yeah.
Again, let's look at the question here. We said once x was 1 over here, 1 over, so y is equal to. So we put these values in the original equation here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So we had the equation y is equal to 1 over ax square bx plus 5. Yeah, so that was. So we put that. So let me know what it becomes. 1 over 3 is equal to 1 over a plus b plus 5. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
So can you say what is then what to do? What would be the next
So
equation?
from here, can we flip both of them? Can we
Yeah,
flip
very nice. We can flip both of them. So it becomes
3 equals a plus b plus 5, and then it's also -2
yeah,
equals a
negative
plus b.
a plus b, and we write it in another form because and
Yeah,
this is our equation 3. We
yeah,
had, let me just zoom it out, zoom out rather. So one, we know two equations now, 2
yeah.
and 3. So solving two linear equation, two unknown equation, solving equation 2 and equation 3 simultaneously. We know how to solve simultaneously two equations.
Yeah.
So, how would you like to do?
Uh,
Elimination method, or there are two methods. One is elimination and other is the substitution. So you can solve it. Kindly do it so that you know
yeah.
what is A and B.
So I got. Do you want me to tell you what the answers are? What I got?
Yeah.
Okay, so I got 2 equals a and -4 equals b.
Yeah. We normally say it otherwise. We say A is equal to 2 because the variable. So we say the
Uh,
variable first and correct. So we had two, just I do it very quickly. So we have the equation 2a plus b is equal to 0. So this implies b is equal to minus a. I am doing a substitution method. Putting a is equal to, sorry, not a, it was b is equal to minus 2a in equation 3. So we will have a minus 2a is equal to minus 2. Yeah. So minus a is equal to minus 2. This implies a is equal to 2. So,
mm,
and then we have putting in any one equation. You can put in equation 1 or equation, equation 2, equation 3. Then putting a is equal to 2 in equation, let's do it there. So equation 3. Yeah.
yeah.
So we know a is equal to 2, 2 plus b is equal to minus 2. So b is equal to minus 4. So these are our answer. A is equal to, so the answer is, let me take another color because we haven't been using this color. So answer A is equal to 2. Is it good?
Yes.
So this was a little tricky question, but we found it how to do it. Hi, subscribe to this channel. Go to this red subscribe and click. And you also see this bell shape. So click on this and select all. This means you would be getting notification of all videos uploaded on this channel. Cheers.